you?
But probably, I thought it said.
Probably? I thought it said follow me, but did any of you communicate with us during the seance? That's a dog.
Yes, it was. He said, yes, it was.
Who was it?
Who is it?
Who is it?
Can you go up?
Are you playing with the dog?
Yep.
Are you playing with Lady, the pug?
You hear something?
Going up again.
Yep, there it is. Going.
Went up to yellow before. There it is.
Wow. Who's here with us? Who's standing here? Female voice right there.
Lacey.
Lacey? Did you say Lacey? Come on, who's here with us? Somebody touch that. There was a phrase there.
Bengay.
Something with a B.
Tell us who walks up and down the stairs. Who walks up and
Going
down
up
the
again.
stairs?
Are you the one that's on the stairs?
Who plays the radio? Who's playing the radio in our house?
Something there. You're gonna have to play that back. There was a few things there.
Can you tell us who you are? Can you give us a name again? Are you good? Try to say something to us. What do you want us to hear from you?
Something there. Something. It's stupid. Yeah. A woman's voice saying it's stupid.
It's what?
It's stupid.
What's stupid?
Stupid, yeah. Stupid. It's stupid, yeah.
What's stupid?
Come on, what's stupid? Us?
You think we're stupid? That's right.
It just went up. Just lit up.
Are you okay with what we're doing with the house?
Who's going up and down the stairs? That's what I'd like to know.
Give us a name.
Is it Hope?
It was
That was a voice in the back.
yeah, almost like chanting.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
That was weird. That was really weird. That just gave me a chill.
Who's going up and down the stairs?
Like a kid's voice.
Snow cone?
I didn't get that.
Like you're hitting a nerve every time you ask about the stairs.
What's with the stairs?
Who's going up and down the stairs?
Who's moving boxes in the attic?
God, it's lighting up again.
Who's doing that?
Again, that same. Yeah,
Oh, I just got a chill.
me too. That's that same voice from before. Gave me a chill. Little kid voice.
Are you in the room with us?
Got a chill again.
Are you in the room? Oh my
Again.
gosh, I just felt.
Getting it right in my back. I'm getting a chill right up my spine right now. And that hardly ever happens.
That thing just went up again.
How old are you? Are you very young? Are you a child?
Are you playing
You're
games?
in here with us right now, aren't you?
Are you deaf?
Something there too.
Are you playing games?
Oh, female voice there.
Female voice.
Couple orbs just flew by.
Are you standing next to me?
Modern.
Okay, gradually. Are you next to me?
Are you angry? Make a noise if you're here.
Hey. Wow.
Yes, thank you.
Hey, Rod. Do you play around with us? Do you move things so we can find them? Are you playful?
Go another minute. You got any last messages for us?
Nothing. We just hope that you're very happy here and that we can all live together peacefully.
Something there too.
What?
No, there was just another response. We have a lot on here.
All right, you want to wrap it up?
Yeah. Any last message? I don't.
Okay.
All right. Thank you for talking to us.